What's going on, guys? Filming another video here today. The reason why the angle's this way is because my room is a mess and I don't I guess I'll make more videos whenever it's more clean, but for now I'm going to do this. So Vids More Nick here. Yeah, we're doing G Fuel. Today we're going to do, I think the two flavors I ordered were peach mango and blood orange, I'm pretty sure. So, we got the bill. I'm pretty sure these are the, yeah, okay, we got blood orange and we got peach mango. I know it looks this way on camera, but it's actually not true. In real life, it's not, but on the camera, they look so similar, but in real life, they look different. We got these right here. Ooh, that's a nice ice sticker. Nothing else in here, so I guess we'll continue doing this. We're gonna try peach mango. I've heard nothing but great things about peach mango. I have not had the ability to try it yet, so we're going to take blood orange and put it in the back, because today we're doing this now. I've heard good things about this flavor. I've never had it for myself, but we're trying it. Sorry about, if you guys can hear my dog in the background, she's barking in the backyard. Oh, wait. I might as well just use this. Sorry I have not posted any videos in these past few weeks. It's because I didn't really have any good video ideas. And I remember getting this, I was like, I'll make a video on this when I can. Gosh, this is so hard to cut. There we go. I'm getting this out. Okay. Okay, so we got peach mango. I took the top off, but I guess I can actually use the blood orange as a little stand. Sorry about the stuff in the background, but yeah, we got peach mango, the phase cup. Well, actually, I don't know about the angle, though. I would like to have it like this, but I'm holding it, and I can't hold it throughout the whole thing. So, I guess we'll just set this back, but here we go. Peach mango, we're trying it. This video is probably not as good as my other videos, actually, but I can't define the smell, but it smells pretty strong. I'm actually looking for the scooper. That's why it's not on the camera. Found it. I'm trying to get it out now. Oh. This is the only thing I hate about the scooper, the fact that it gets stuck inside of the thing and my hand is all covered in powder. Actually, look at that. It's all cut. Oh my gosh. And now I got some on here. We'll clean that. You know, this happened. Oh, jeez. This is very unprofessional, as you can tell. But we're going to stick with it. So we're going to. It's a little bit much. So yeah, I have the huge mess right here, and now I'm making it even bigger, which is bad, but got the serving here, Now we're gonna pour it in and shake it up. Alright. Gosh, I keep spilling things. I'm gonna get the peach mango tub out of the way. There's powder literally everywhere. Whatever, we're gonna shake it up. I apologize about the powder. I would clean it up more, but I don't have a towel or anything to clean it up, and I don't think I can just leave the video unattended for a second, but shaking this up. I know it looks orange on camera. It's actually not as orange as it looks in real life. Maybe it's just the lighting. We're getting there. Maybe it's just the lighting. I'm gonna bring you guys over here for just a moment, but oh, crap. Okay, point at the floor. Here. See? Oh, it still looks orange. You're just gonna have to trust me that it's not that orange. All right. Here we go. All right. I'm trying blood orange. Blood orange. We're trying peach mango. 3, 2, 1. Alright. It's a good flavor. I like it. I don't think it's one of my favorites, but I like it. So, pretty much, it does taste like peach flavored. It does taste like, it is like mango flavored. I don't really like peach. I've never really tried mango, but together it seems okay. I mean, it's a good enough flavor. Not my cup of tea, not my favorite, but I like it. Things that it's kind of sweet, but towards the end you kind of get like a crazy sweet. Again, I'm sorry about the powder. We're gonna fix that when the video's over. Yeah, it's good, but like, again, once you get to the end, it kind of gets sour, but it's good overall. So, would I get this? I'm gonna say yes. If you ask me 1 to 10 scale, I would say an 8. Because even though this is a good flavor, I think it could be better, but I don't know, I like it. Tomorrow we're doing blood orange. Yeah, we're doing this tomorrow. So, make sure to tune in tomorrow for this video, because we just did this. Have a good day. See you guys in the next video.